Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video we will learn the different uses and functions of the verb have. As in earlier video we learned the uses and functions of the verb know. So in this video we will learn the different functions and uses of the verb have. So let's start this video. According to its first function, have is used to determine position. In these examples guys, you will observe that how has or have is used to determine position. She has blue eyes. Here has is used to determine position. I have a history book. Guys, we can make them interrogative as well as negative. How? By putting do and does. According to its second function, its structure is very simple. How? We have to add third form of the verb with having, and after a comma we have to place any tense. For suppose in the first sentence, having finished my work, having plus third form my work, after a comma we have to adjust, we have to add any tenses such as he went to the bazaar. Here we should call it past consecutive tense. According to its third rule, according to its third function, it is used to work as causative verbs. Guys, get is used causatively. Sometimes have is also used as causatively. How? Sometimes we can replace this verb get, we replace this verb get by have. Here in the first example, you will notice that we have make a causative sentence. How? I get my car repaired. Simply it should be simply this causative verb get can be replaced. How? By have. I have my car repaired. In the second example, she got her shoes polished. It should also be replaced by putting have. How? She had her shoes polished. According to its fourth function, it is used to perform certain activities, like it is used in the meaning of eating, drinking something, as well as giving, receiving, taking, and so on. So guys, according to its fourth function, sometimes it is used to perform certain activities such as to eat or to drink something. Through these examples, you will notice how this verb is substituted for eat and drink. Number one, he had an excellent dinner on the train. Here had is used for eating. In the second example, I had a couple of biscuits with my coffee. Here had is also used for eating. In the third and last example, you will notice that have is used for drinking. How? I have a glass of water before going to bed. So simply we should say I drink a glass of water before going to bed. According to its second function, here have is also used for receiving, be given, or as well as taking. Here you will observe that how this have verb perform different meanings such as receiving, be given, as well as taking. Number one, all the winners had prizes. Here had is used in the meaning of receiving. According to its second example, you will notice that how have is used in the meaning of be given. Have the boys had their new books. Simply we should say have the boys given their new books. According to its third example, may I have this chair? Simply we should say may I have, or may I take this chair. According to its third function, have is also used for suffer from. Here I have a headache means I suffer from a headache. He stayed in bed because he had a cold. We should say he is suffering from a cold, or he was suffering from a cold. He had a pain in his knee. We should say he is suffering a pain in his knee. He is suffering from a pain in his knee. According to third function, here the singular verb have reflects the meaning of experience, enjoy, as well as endure. In these examples guys, you will observe how the singular verb reflects the meaning of experience, enjoy, as well as endure. So let's See these examples. We had a great deal of fun on the topic. Number second, they had very poor weather during their holiday. Number three, he has had nothing but trouble since he changed his job. I don't think you will have any difficulty in finding my house. So through these examples, you will notice that have or had here reflect the meaning of experience, enjoy as well as endure. Here have is sometimes used in the meaning of be faced with something that needs to be done. For suppose through these examples, we will notice that how this have or had is how this verb have is used in that case, in that sense. For suppose according to its number one, the doctor had a lot of patients to examine. Means doctor faces a lot of patients to examine. According to number two, our teacher has many sums to solve. Means our teacher faces many sums to solve. According to number three, he is staying home because he has many letters to write. Because he, in this example, he faces many letters to write. According to number last and six, be compelled to do something means when we force somebody to perform any activity. Here in this example, you will notice that I shall have to go and see the doctor because here I have compelled myself, I have forced myself to perform such activity. I shall have to go and see the doctor if I don't get better. In the second sentence, candidates have to ask means candidates are emphasized, candidates are forced for what to ask six questions. So guys, hope you understand this video very well. Thank you for watching this.